Man, this one was a bit of a hot one today. I think I might just go and finger my arsehole. Hello everybody and welcome. If you are new here, my name is Adam and today we're going to be talking about the 5 prostate questions I get asked a lot. Very good question. What is a prostate? It's basically a gland inside the male body. It's found between the penis and the bladder. It's a walnut shape and size, so it's about this big, about an inch, that sort of walnut shape. That's why they say it's a walnut shape and size. It's also sometimes referred to as the male G-spot, not just the prostate. You can also call it the P-spot. Well, the prostate creates a fluid. It's a fluid that's found within semen and cum. It's like lube for your penis. It's like lube for your sperm. It helps the sperm travel through easier. Whether that journeys into a tissue, a mouth, the anus, the vagina, it's still there and it helps. It helps the sperm get there. Really, I can't tell you exactly why it's so good. It's one of these things where you have to do it and feel it to understand it. Just be a doer. Go and do it. The simplest way to get to your prostate is through the bum. It's dead simple. The great news for you is, one, it doesn't need to be a massive object that you stick in there. This is big enough. And secondly, you're going to go about this far in. That is it. Guys, stop worrying. It's fine. Don't worry about it. Once you take your finger and you put it into your bum, to find the prostate, you simply have to go in and curve your finger up in that whole come hither motion. Come here. That whole motion, this section, the tippy up section here, is towards your belly button. The prostate is towards the front of your body, not towards the back. Don't be going towards your spine, go towards your stomach and you'll find the prostate. You'll feel it through the rectal walls. Because it's such a soft tissue, you can feel it. And if you take your finger, it's a little bit like kind of chasing an ice cube across the table. It floats and it moves around. It also gets bigger the more excited and horny you are. Great news, yeah? So the hornier you are, the more excited you are, actually, the easier it is to find. It's very, 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 very similar to how you sort of play with a G-spot. Hence the reason it's also been referred to as the male G-spot. Oh, the question I love! I tell you what, a prostate orgasm, it is just like, just imagine an orgasm, that moment, that sort of crescendo, that very second when you're just like, ah! Those cums going everywhere, you're all just like, whoa, yeah? That is a moment most guys are obsessed with. Obsessed! I'm obsessed with it. Well, just imagine this. It's like that, guys, but even better. It's like, what the fuck? That's even better. So, like a normal orgasm, but a prostate orgasm's even better? Yes. Yes, 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 yes. Why am I saying that? It just is better. What happens is, stimulating the prostate allows there to be a slightly, not a bigger build-up, but you expel more of the prostate fluid that we spoke about before. So what happens is your orgasm is more powerful. It's pushing more through. It's just more euphoric. Like fucking stars. Boop, boop, boop. I'm just sitting out in space. Find another. It's literally like that. I just can't, if this isn't coming across how good it is and how much you're missing out if you haven't tried it, then I've just said it. Ladies and gentlemen, if you like this video, hit a like button if you are new here, then subscribe. Ring the bell. Put your notifications on for every time we post a video. Do let me know what you think to this video in the comment section below. Let us know if it helped you. Let me know what part you like. Let me know. You are more than welcome to drop us an email. That email is I watched your YouTube video and have a question at g-silicone.com. I'll put it on the screen because it's a bit of a big one. It's good though, yeah? This was a hot one, wasn't it? I think I might just go and finger my arsehole.